Hello students, class 10s. Hope all of you are preparing for class 10 examination of all subjects and please be serious and prepare for your exam of coming board class 10. Today we are discussing one problem of quadratic equation of previous year question. Let us see quadratic equation. I hope you will well know about quadratic polynomial. See questions. If alpha and beta are zeros of a quadratic polynomial, कहता है अल्फा बीटा question is asking about question is telling about alpha and beta are zeros of a quadratic polynomial a x squared minus x minus b. Quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial given x squared minus ax minus b. And alpha beta is the zeros means roots. Obtain a quadratic polynomial. Then they are asking question asking obtain in another quadratic polynomial whose zeros means roots are 3 alpha plus 1 and 3 beta plus 1. Once again question I want to say that alpha beta be the roots of this quadratic polynomial, then we have to obtain one quadratic polynomial whose roots are 3 alpha plus 1 and 3 beta plus 1. Let us see how can we form a new quadratic polynomial whose roots 3 alpha plus 1 and 3 beta plus 1. So first of all we should know we should know what should we know that if alpha and beta are zeros or roots, same zeros or roots of a quadratic polynomial, then how can we write polynomial? If alpha beta are the zeros or roots of a quadratic polynomial, then the required polynomial is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. That is the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are x square. If any quadratic polynomial whose zeros or roots are alpha and beta, then equation should be x squared minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. We should know and we remember always. Another thing is that x square minus sum of roots x plus product of roots, sum of roots and x into polynomial product of the roots, sum of roots alpha plus beta, alpha into beta, product of the roots. We should know that if any polynomial have alpha and beta zeros, then the polynomial should be x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. We utilize this formula, we should use this formula to solve this problem. What is given? First, this quadratic polynomial given x square minus ax minus b. and zeros given in the roots given alpha and beta. Then alpha plus beta, what we know? Alpha plus beta minus b by a, minus b by a. So in that equation, ax square plus bx plus c alpha equal to 0. Then if alpha and beta roots of this equation, then alpha plus beta minus b by a and alpha into beta equal to c by a. We should utilize this formula. Alpha plus beta means root sum of the roots. Minus b by a. B means coefficient of x. Minus coefficient of x. So minus coefficient of x a and b by a. Minus b by a. Minus b by a means 1. Okay. Minus b means minus a takes place in this might be in by 1. That means alpha plus beta equal to a. Okay, alpha beta equal to a. Alpha into beta, product of the roots cy. Cy means here c is equal to given minus b. So minus b, 1 means 1 coefficient 1. That means alpha into beta barabar minus b. So we should use this two relation again. Alpha plus beta equal to a. Now this new roots are given 3 alpha plus 1 and 3 beta plus 1. Then these two roots, sum of the roots, this sum of the roots means 3 alpha plus 1 plus 3 beta plus 1 equal to 3 alpha plus beta plus 2. And sum of the roots we should given this form 3 into alpha plus beta plus 2. Alpha plus beta a. That means 3 into alpha plus beta a plus 2. That means sum of the roots 3a plus 2. So sum of the roots we have obtained 3a plus 2. Now product of the roots means 3 alpha plus 1 into 3 beta plus 1. A product of roots. That means 3 alpha into 3 alpha, 9 alpha beta. 3 alpha plus 1, 3 alpha, 3 beta, 1 into 1 plus 1. Means product will come 9 alpha beta plus 3 alpha plus beta plus 1. And the product of roots coming 3 alpha beta. Alpha beta means minus b, and minus 9 b plus 3 alpha beta 3a alpha plus beta into a and 3 alpha a plus 1. Then we get sum of the roots, this sum of the roots and product of the roots. Now we should replace this to sum of the roots a, sum of the roots and product of the roots. Okay. So required equation is x squared minus sum of the roots plus product of the roots. Product of roots. So x squared minus sum of roots given 3a plus 2. Yeah, x, we should use x. When x plus product of the roots 3a minus 9b plus 1. This is required polynomial. This is the only answer. Required polynomial whose roots is 3 alpha plus 1 and 3 beta plus 1. Hope you understand this. Hello dosto, we have seen next problems. Let us see next problem of other chapter, which is PYQ of Cbse class 10. The question given the two angles of a right angled triangle other than 90 degree are in the ratio 2:3. Express the given express algebraically. Express the given situation. Missing here situation. Express the given situation algebraically as a system of linear equation in two variables and hence solve it. You again you read this question and understand the problem. The right angle triangle. Question is describing give about right angle triangle. He has given some condition of right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means triangle this type. You know that any triangle whose one angle is right angle triangle is called right angle triangle. Suppose this is given ABC is a triangle whose right angle triangle on point B. Okay, right angle triangle is a triangle which has only one angle equal to 90 degree. Other two angle is less than 90 degree. No, no. So what she's saying is other angle ratio. Other angle ratio means angle A, angle C are in the 2:3. Suppose it's 2 a 3. A ratio, not the exact value of angle given, but ratio. Suppose 2x, 3x, or suppose 2 theta, 3 theta, anything. 2 theta and 3 theta. Oh. Then how can we write in algebraically this? Suppose angle theta, other angle is are theta 1 and theta 2. Okay, one angle is 90 degree, other angle is theta 1 and theta 2. Then what is telling कि theta 1 by theta 2 equal to 2 by 3. This is one condition. Theta 1 by theta 2, 2 is to 3. We can solve it in that case also. This is can we solve in simple way. 3 theta 1 equal to 2 theta 2. Same condition. That means 3 theta 1 minus 2 theta 2 equal to 0. That is one linear equation. Okay, this is term one linear equation. How we can get it? Linear equation by using this information that other angle is 2:3 in ratio. That means if theta 1 and theta 2 other angles other than 90 degrees, then theta 1 2 theta 1 by 2 theta 2 equal to 2 by 3. Then this form 3 theta cross multiply. Here cross multiply. Here cross multiply. Means 3 theta 1 equal to 2 theta 2. That means 3 theta 1 minus 2 theta 2 equal to 0. That is one equation of linear equation formed. Okay. What we have get? Theta 1 by theta 2, 2 by 3. That means 3 theta 1 minus 2 theta 2 equal to 0. We have already get. Other condition, other information what is telling? So both angles sum is 0. Sum is 90 degree. We also know that. We also know that theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to 90 degree. Why? Because all three angles sum is equal to 180 degree, but one angle is already 90 degree. The rest two angles sum is 90 degree. That is other equation. Okay, that is one equation, other equation. That means we have no already. Then how can we solve it? So two system of equation we get 3 theta 1 minus 2 theta 2 0. Other is theta 1 plus theta 2 90 degree. Then how can we solve it? Suppose we multiply it by 2. Then it's 2 theta 2, 2 theta 1, a 180. Okay. We simply add करने से we should add this will cancel. Then 5 theta 1, that means 5 theta 1, 3 theta 1 plus 2 theta 1, 5 theta 1 equal to 180. That means theta 1 बराबर 180 by 5 means what we have get lastly 180 by 5 theta 1 equal to 180 by 5 means 36 degree. Then theta 2 what we how can we theta 2 equal to 90 minus 36 means 54 degree. So we get theta 1 equal to 36 degree and theta 2 equal to 54 degree. Okay, system of two linear equation and theta 1 theta 2 value.